Hey everyone, it's Anna here at Dee's with another adorable Easter kit that is going to be up on shopdeeslouisville.com. This one is the twig carrot door hanger. It is so adorable and it's perfect if you're looking for something larger for your front door for Easter and you maybe don't want a bunny or something like that. It's really nice and big. You can see it's extra long, and we're going to add a little bit of floral and a bow to it today, something really simple, perfect for your door. You can actually use this one all spring long. So I'm going to use this really beautiful greenery stem, and I like this one because it has a mix of berries and leaves. You've got all different colors of orange berries on there, and you only need the one stem to make this really cute. So what we're going to do first is attach the stem, and then we're going to add our ribbon. I'm going to go ahead and chop the stem off so we don't have this long piece sticking out. Cut the tag off. And I'm going to hold it up there while I fluff it. So I definitely want some to go up, but I don't want to block too much of the greenery they have coming out. So I'm going to bend around that. I'm going to take this one kind of off to the left, and then the longest top piece of that stem I'm going to let come down. But I am going to bend it a little bit to kind of follow the shape of the carrot. So that's the perfect spot I wanted it. I'm going to go a little bit off to the left. You can see there. I'm going to go ahead and wire it on. So I'm going to move it. I'm going to just take this wire. I'm going to go around this left one here. Bring those wires to the front. And then place that stem on there, and it's super easy to tie on that way. Okay. I like it a little off-centered too because then it shows more of that up at the top. So I'm just going to twist that on right there and leave those wires because we can definitely use that wire to attach our bow. And then take another minute to just fluff everything around. This stem also has little twigs on it, which I love. So fluff over here a little bit. This is actually the greenery, the same greenery that if you watched Lori's video, you can buy the greenery wreath made up, all just a whole wreath of that. It's really, really pretty, and it's new for this year. So for our bow, I chose 3 different ribbons. First I chose the softer, kind of really pretty green that I thought would be pretty with the leaves. So we're going to take that one. We're going to make a couple loops with that. And in the kit online, you're going to get everything you need to create this, including enough of this ribbon to leave that tail a little bit longer to come down. So you're going to have a little bit there to come down the carrot. Next up, I'm going to use this green ivory stripe. It's a smaller width, 1.5 inches, but it looks really pretty again with the moss on the grapevine frame. And I like the 2 tones of green mixed together. These loops that I'm making are slightly larger than normal. They're about a 4-inch. And I'm just going to loop that. All right, same thing, leave that tail longer. And then lastly, I wanted a little pop of orange. I thought with all the berries and all the orange going on, I didn't want to do too much. So I'm going to do just a little bitty swatch of it right on top. And the reason I'm doing it last is because when you put that on the top of that bow, it's going to be the one that stands out the most anyway. So we're just doing a little snip of it. Because a little bit of orange goes a very long way. So we don't want to overkill it. So we're just going to take this and twist it on using that same wire. And then I am going to put a wire on top that goes towards the back to hold everything on there tightly. It's just nice to have that up there for now. Now I'm going to take one wire and I'm actually going to go around the whole top. And I'm going to twist it really tight. That way it's extra secure. This carrot actually comes with a little ring to hang it on your door, which is super nice. You don't have to make your own hanger. Now I'm ready to adjust that ribbon and cut those tails. So I'm going to just start pulling. Definitely want to bring those berries to the middle, bring some of those leaves to the middle. You could easily do the carrot with other ribbons if you like black and white, but I just wanted to keep it fun and natural. And then that way when Easter's over, if you wanted to leave it on your door, you could get a long time out of this one. I'm going to cut those extra wires. Okay, now I'm going to finish cutting my tails. All right, and I'm just going to step back and do a few adjustments. So bring this tails up. You know, I always love to spiral them back like you're putting them on the roll. Just pull the end out. It gives you the fun little curls. So this again is a super easy, super cute grapevine wreath door hanger for Easter. And you're going to be able to head to shopdeeslouisville.com, get everything you need to make this one. Go check it out now.